A noun phrase is a noun in any word or words that modify it. For example, la bandera argentina, the Argentine flag. Flag is the noun, and la and Argentina describe it or modify it. So that's easy enough, but what's more helpful is to see where noun phrases occur in sentences. So we're going to use the noun phrase la bandera argentina in different places in a sentence. First, noun phrases can take the role of the subject of the sentence. La bandera argentina es azul y blanco. The Argentine flag is blue and white. Well, in this case, the sentence is about la bandera argentina, so it is the subject. Noun phrases can also be direct objects. Las niñas llevan la bandera argentina. The kids are carrying the Argentine flag. They're carrying what? The Argentine flag. So here, the noun phrase serves as the direct object. I can also reword that sentence to say, Las niñas marchan con la bandera argentina. The kids are marching with the Argentine flag. Here, the noun phrase comes after the preposition con, with, so it's an object of a preposition. A noun phrase can also serve the role of indirect object, to whom or what the action is proceeding. So, for example, el soldado le dio un saludo patriótico a la bandera argentina. The soldier gave a salute to what? A salute to the flag. All right, that's it. Pretty easy. Again, a noun phrase is a noun in any word that modifies it.